Hello, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I'm going to show you a couple of newer features of the find command. And for those of you who are not familiar, the find command itself is perhaps very useful. So the find command allows you to jump anywhere in a score by measure number or by rehearsal mark, and you access it. You can either access it from the edit menu where you'll find, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl F or Command F on Mac, which is kind of the shortcut for that command in most other programs. So if I type Ctrl F, I can then type a number like say 47, and it jumps straight to measure number 47. Notice it actually popped up a little box here. That's what I'm typing into. I can also go by a letter. I can delete that and then type, say, H, and it will take me to rehearsal mark H. So that command's been around a while. What's new about it is it's a little bit smarter about keeping track of where you were. So for instance, if I currently have the trumpet staff selected, something on a trumpet staff selected, and then I say Control F and I go to measure 27, it shows me measure 27, but it keeps the trumpet staff selected. This is a very useful thing in general, but it was especially useful for blind users to keep their place when jumping through a score, and was really kind of an important accessibility improvement. Another improvement that could be useful for anyone, but also was specifically requested for accessibility reasons, is you can actually select a range of measures with this command now. So the ability to keep the same staff, that's new in 4.7, so is this with the range. If I type 27-30, you'll see it is now selected measures 27 through 30. So that is it's a convenient way to be able to select a range of measures if you happen to know what they are. Again, it was kind of a request for blind musicians to make it easier to make these kinds of selections and keep track of where you are, but it's something really anyone can take advantage of in the right circumstances. So there you have it, improvements to the find command.